Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on perimeter, and in the previous video, pinag-usapan natin yung perimeter of rectangle at nabuo natin yung formula na to, P equals 2L plus 2 width where P is the perimeter, P is the perimeter. Of course, L is the length, and W is the width. Okay. So in this video, ang gagawin natin is magsosolve na tayo ng problem using the formula. Again, 2L plus 2 width came from this diagram. Makikita nyo. Meron tayong rectangle. Came from this figure. Meron tayong rectangle. Pareho yung length niya. If L is 5 for example, 5 din to. And pareho din yung width niya. So kaya ibig sabihin may dalawang length times natin sa 2. Tapos yung width din naman ay ita-times din natin sa 2. Okay? So using the formula, we can now solve the following problems. For number 1, perimeter is unknown, length is 17, and W or width is 12. Hindi ko nalalagyan ng unit yan, centimeter, meters, So depende na lang. Siyempre pag nakita nyo sa problem na may unit, dapat yung answer nyo rin may unit. Pero dito hindi ko nalalagyan. So hindi na natin lalagyan ng units yung answer. So from the formula, we have P equals 2L plus 2 width. P equals 2 times, ang L natin is 17 plus 2 times 12. So sa mga elementary school pupils natin, pag sinabi mong 2L, pag walang sign in between yung number at saka yung variable o yung unknown, ang ibig sabihin yung multiplication yan. So, ang multiplication, 2 times L, ibig sabihin yan. Minsan sinusulat din siya na may parenthesis, 2 times L. Minsan, dot lang, 2 times L. So, lahat yan, ibig sabihin yung multiplication. Meaning, we have to multiply 2 by 17 and then 2 by 12, Kagaya dito. So 2 times 17 is 34. And then 2 times 12 is 24. So ang P natin ay, ilan yan? 58. So 34 plus 24 is 58. So ito yung pinakasagot natin. I don't know kung naririnig nyo yung sasakyan, kasi ang hotel ko ngayon ay nasa malapit sa sa kalsada. I'm outside Metro Manila, I'm on travel. So dito naman ang ating unknown naman ay length. Kanina ang unknown natin ay perimeter, So hindi naman palaging perimeter yung unknown. So dito we can use the formula, We have P. Ganun pa rin, P equals 2L plus 2 width. So ang perimeter natin meron na tayo 26 equals 2L. Wala tayong 2L plus 2 width. 2 width. Which is 2 times 4. So, equation ito. Pero mamaya, kung may audience tayo o may hindi audience but viewer na elementary, turo ko sa inyo paano i-solve. So, this is equation. This is algebra. So, this is equal to 2L plus 8, So 26 equals 2L plus 8. This is L, 2L. So 26 minus 8 is equal to 2L. Yan, 18 equals 2L. So ibig sabihin 2L. Ibig sabihin yung 18, paghahatian siya ng 2L. So, tagna 9 sila yung bawat length. So, L is equal to 9. Okay? So, pag elementary school pupils kayo, so, ibig sabihin, pwede nyo siguro i-drawing, Isang pinakamadali sigurong solution is i-drawing nyo siya. And then, you put 4 dito, di ba? So, 4. So, parehong 4. 26 minus 8 kasi mawawala na yung yung dalawang 4. So, 18, di ba? So, tas yung 18, paghahatian siya ng dalawang length niya. So, ibig sabihin tigna 9. I think that's the easiest way to solve kung hindi pa kayo nagka-algebra. Alright, so the third question is very similar, although iba yung unknown. Pwede na siguro natin ito burahin. But the process is still the same. Kanina kasi, ang unknown natin ay length. Ngayon naman width. Pero pareho lang. We have the same, very similar solution here. Okay, so we have ganun pa rin. Perimeter equals 2L plus 2 width. No? And perimeter 41 is equal to 2 times 14 plus 2 width. So 41 equals 28 plus 2 width. 41 minus 28 equals 2 width. And I subtracted 28 from both sides, no? Para mawala yung 28 sa kanan. So this is 13. 41 minus 28 is 13. 2W. Which means that W is equal to 13 divided by 2. Or W is equal to 6.5. Pwede rin 13 halves, depende sa teacher nyo. Or kaya pwede rin 6 and 1 half. Pwede rin yun. So, mag-uusap na lang kayo ng teacher nyo kung pwede yung mga ganong representation. Now, again, pag elementary, pwede yung ilagay yung length na ilan yan, 14, di ba? 14 sa 14. So, ibig sabihin, babawasan na natin yung perimeter ng 28, di ba? So, ilan na siya? 13 na lang. So, yung 13, may dalawa ka pang magkaparehong sides. Yung ating width, no? So, we have 13 divided by 2 is 6.5. Ibig sabihin, 6.5 silang dalawa. Okay, so that's it. Sana ay may natutunan kayo dito sa ating maiksing tutorial. Gusto ko kayong invite sa zip9.com yung ating website. At syempre sa ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/zip9 page. Tignan nyo sa baba yung mga links, no, kung gusto nyo i-follow yung zip9 kung kayo nasa YouTube. See you!